Hey, Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well. Just kind of taking a walk today around my property for some exercise. And I was thinking the one thing that holds affiliate marketers back almost more than anything, if you could believe it, but the one thing that holds people back from success in affiliate marketing is actually not taking action. Now, I know that sounds simple, but most people are willing to learn a whole lot about affiliate marketing, and they're willing to really create spreadsheets and all sorts of notes and analysis of what they're going to do and how much they're going to make in affiliate marketing. But in the end, they never take any action to actually put those things into motion. So I want to talk to you about two things that are keeping you from action. The first is always learning and never doing. And I'm guilty of this too. Always watching the next video about this or that. I got to learn split testing. I've got to learn how to generate leads for free. And there's always something to learn. The internet is just full of wonderful learning, and that's a good thing. But at some point, you've got to put that on hold for a minute and take some action with the learning that you have been doing. So for example, make a 2-minute video, write a 500-word blog post, or anything. Just do any action that is actually significant towards growing your business. The second thing that really stops people from taking action is what I call paralysis by analysis. Okay, we are paralyzed because we're analyzing all the different options. Should I do pay-per-click? Should I do free traffic? Should I join Facebook groups? I mean, there's a million different things we can analyze, and we get paralyzed into doing nothing. So that's the second thing I want to show you that maybe you could see in yourself, because I saw it in me as well. So take these two things to heart and analyze yourself and say, am I doing these things? And let me give you two powerful statements or formulas that really help me. The first is from a guy named George Del Grazio Dio. I think he was the founder of the business school at Pepperdine University. And his formula was TNT, which is today, not tomorrow. So use that TNT power formula and remember to do things today, not tomorrow. And of course, Zig Ziglar has a great quote in which he says, if anything is worth doing, it's worth doing poorly until you get good at it, right? So if you're afraid to make your first video and put it out on YouTube, it's worth doing it poorly, and then you'll get better at it. And if you're just analyzing where to get started with traffic and everything, hey, just get started on Facebook ads. Why not throw a few bucks at it just so you could say, hey, I started, and then the momentum will build from there, okay? Now, I wish you the best, and remember, today, not tomorrow, and get started on your plan. Take care.